Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete multiple messages from your chat on Instagram. If your inbox is feeling cluttered and you want to tidy things up, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your smartphone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will be essential for accessing your messages. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane or a messenger symbol and will take you to your direct messages, or DMS. Tap on it to enter your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, find the chat that contains the messages you want to delete. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or any other interaction you've had on Instagram. Take your time to locate it. Now here comes the crucial part. Click and hold on one of the messages within that chat. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options. From this menu, choose Delete for you. This option allows you to remove the selected message from your view. After selecting one message, you can now select all the messages you want to delete. Simply tap on each message until they are all highlighted or selected. Once you've made your selections, tap on Delete for you again at the bottom of the screen. Finally, Instagram will ask you to confirm this step. Make sure you're ready to proceed because once deleted, these messages will no longer be visible in your inbox. Tap, confirm, and just like that, those messages are gone. Remember, deleting messages only removes them from your view. They will still appear for anyone else in the conversation. So, if you're looking for a fresh start in your Instagram chats, following these steps will help you achieve just that. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and declutter that inbox.